In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to your dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation menu and open the accounting section. This is where QuickBooks helps you manage the money moving in and out of your accounts, and it's the area you'll use to review and organize bank activity. From there, select Bank Transactions. This page shows transactions that have been brought in from your connected bank and credit card accounts, making it much easier to sort and manage everything in one place. At the top of the screen, choose the specific bank or credit card account that contains the transaction you want to work on. This is especially helpful if you have multiple accounts connected, since it keeps you focused on the right set of transactions. Next, go to the Pending tab. The Pending tab contains transactions that have been downloaded but not yet fully reviewed or assigned. This is usually where you'll do most of your categorizing. Once you're there, locate the transaction you want to categorize. You can scan the list carefully and look for details like the date, description, or amount to make sure you found the correct one. When you find the transaction, move to the Match or Categorize column. Click Select Category, or click the current category if one is already showing and you want to change it. QuickBooks will open the category options so you can assign the transaction properly. Choose the category that best fits the purchase, payment, or deposit. Selecting the right category is important because it affects your reports and helps keep your bookkeeping accurate. Before saving, take a moment to review the transaction details. Double-check the payee information, amount, date, and selected category, so everything looks correct. This quick review can help you avoid mistakes and reduce the need for corrections later. Once you're satisfied, click Post or Add to save the category. QuickBooks will then record the transaction with the category you selected. After that, verify that the transaction has been categorized correctly. You can confirm that it no longer appears as uncategorized and that the assigned category matches what you intended. Taking a few extra seconds to review each transaction carefully can make your financial records cleaner and much more useful when it's time to run reports or prepare for taxes. Thanks for watching.